everybody, how's it going? So a lot of you have asked what happened to me and how I broke my leg. So I'm gonna tell you guys what happened. So it begins with an Amazon buy. Okay, so my family is really big. There are 9 siblings in our family. It goes Jennifer, Andrew, Ryan, Becca, Steven, me, I'm the thumbs up, and then Amanda, Jared, Shinaway. And what happened is that every single time we get together and we're spending nights and stuff, I usually get to sleep on a couch or like just an uncomfortable place just because it's normal. And I was sick of it, and I was like, I'm gonna buy an air mattress for myself so that if ever these situations happen again, it won't happen. And I was like, okay. So I did it, and it was great. It was awesome. And we had a trip coming up. We were gonna go to California with Becca and Mike and the kids, and my mom and dad, and my little sister Shinaway, and my little brother Jared, and Ryan. And I was like, this is a lot of people. I'm gonna bring this air mattress just in case. So I got this air mattress, and we get to the hotel, and sure enough, it was needed. And I pumped it up, and I was like, yeah, I got a place to sleep. I don't have to sleep on the floor. This is cool. And I used it the first night. Everything was fine. Everything was fine. And the second night I used it, we got back from the beach. I was too tired. Didn't want to get a shower or anything. I was just like, let's just put lotion on my feet and I'll go to bed. So put lotion on my feet, go to bed. So I went to bed. I woke up the next morning, and I was blocking my mom and dad's door in the hotel the room that they were using, and the air mattress wouldn't allow them to open it more than like a foot. And so the air mattress was right there, and we were leaving the hotel that day, and I had to deflate the air mattress. So I roll off the side of it because it's low to the ground. It still works, but it's low to the ground. And I go to deflate it, and it's by my mom and dad's door. And my dad, he comes up, and he's trying to open the door, and he's like, Jessica, I gotta go to the bathroom real bad. I gotta go to the bathroom real bad. I was like, whoo! So I get up to move out of the way, and the thing is with me, when I put lotion on, my skin gets super slick, like on my feet, like it's smooth, like super smooth, like so soft that nothing can like penetrate it. Anyway, but I ended up I was getting out of the way, and I got up on my, like, to put pressure on my knee, and my skin was so smooth that I just slipped right on the carpet, and I tried to catch myself, and I watched as my leg dislocated, ruined 3 of the ligaments, and did a twist break on my fibula. I know, it's terrible. And it was terrible because I saw my foot to the side. It was hanging, and I could see the bottom of the foot, and I was like, that's not right. And I was yelling, I just broke my leg! I just broke my leg! And you don't really know the pain is there until like you're in shock. You're just like, no, that couldn't have happened. And it was the day before going to Disneyland, my first time going to Disneyland. And so it was a twisted break. I picked up my foot, put it back in place, and we went straight to the ER. Yeah, I broke my leg. And then all through Disneyland, I got to be in a wheelchair for my first time. Fun stuff. Yep. So for those of you who are wondering what happened. That's how it happened. I broke my leg. It was not fun. Still not fun. Had to have surgery. They had to put a plate in with 7 screws, and then they had to put buttons in to fix the ligaments. 2 of them. And yeah, life is all hunky-dory-dory. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. If you want to know more updates on how life is going with my leg or what's going on, and if you want to see me make something, let me know. Comment in the comments and I will comment back. I will talk to you guys. So, thanks guys for watching. See you later. Bye.